Hey guys, we received this Poetic Guardian series case. It's compatible with iPhone 13 for test and try. So this is a full body hybrid reinforced shockproof and a protective rugged clear bumper case for the iPhone 13. So there are the two modes. You can also use it as without the screen protector, or you can use it with inbuilt screen protector. That's up to you. So this is a really nice quality covers as I can see from here. So all this protective covering for this inbuilt screen protector thing that I can clearly take out from here, and then the back cover. So this is my iPhone 13 and I'm just trying to put on the top of it. It is really nice. It fits really well. And then I'm just putting in on the top in here and then starting the mobile. So from all the corners, it's really fat. All the buttons and things are working. Charging port, everything is all open with the speakers and stuff. So this is pretty nice, very clear screen protector as well. From the back, it is clear plastic, so you can easily see that. Also good for the MagSafe, and the cameras and everything is protective as well.